So now let's discuss anthropometry, the weight measurement. Here we will discuss the different weights in different pediatric ages. So at birth, the weight is about 3 to 3.5 kilogram. Now in the first 4 months of life, it is 0.75 kilogram per month. That equals to around 3 kilogram. Now in the next 4 months, it is 0.50 kilogram per month. That equals to around 2 kilogram. And in the last 4 months of the first year, it is 0.25 kilogram per month. That equals to around 1 kilogram. Now you have to add all of these kilogram in the 4 months and at birth, so it equals to around 9.5 kilogram, or average 8 to 10 kilograms in the first year of the life. So now if you want to find out the weight of your pediatric patient beyond the 1 year of life, you have to add this average 8 to 10 kilogram to that value. So for example, if you want to find out the weight of your pediatric patient that is of age 3, you have to multiply 3 with 2. So 3 2s are 6. So after that 6, you have to add this 8 to 10 weight to that. So 6 plus 8 or 6 plus 10. So the weight is either 14 kilogram or 16 kilogram. This is the average weight that your pediatric patient of age 3 should have. Now let's discuss anthropometry length measurements. So here we will discuss length of the pediatric patient in different age groups. So at birth it is around 50 centimeter, and at 6 months of age it is around 68 centimeter. At the first year of life it is 75 centimeter, and at 2 age of life it is 87 centimeter. So now if you want to find out the length of your pediatric patient beyond this 2 years of life, you have to multiply that age group with 5 and also have to add that 87 centimeter that was till that age of 2. So for example, if you want to find out the length of a pediatric patient of age 5, so it should be 5 into 5, that is 25 centimeter plus 87 centimeter. So 25 plus 87, that equals to 112 centimeter approximately. So your pediatric patient of age 5 should have this much length, and this is the average length. So now let's talk about anthropometry head circumference measurements. Here we will talk about different head measurements in different pediatric age groups. So at birth it's around 33 to 38 centimeter. Now in the first 3 months of life it increases 2 centimeter per month. Now in the next 3 months it will increase 1 centimeter per month. Now in the next 6 months it will increase about 0.5 centimeter per month. Now let's look at different age groups and how much it increases in them. So in the first 6 months of life it will be around 42 to 43 centimeter. At 1 year age it will be around 45 centimeter. At 2 age of life it will be around 46 to 47 centimeter. It increases almost around 1 centimeter per year. So at the age of 12 it should be around 52 centimeter, and these lengths are average lengths that should be almost similar to these.